Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the League of Legends game on your PC. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in leagueoflegends.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the League of Legends official website. Click on the play for free button and now you will have the option to create a new account or sign in to your existing Riot account. Click on create one if you don't already have one and now you will be taken into the sign up page. Just type in your preferred email address that you wish to use for your sign up and then click on the checkbox. You can also use your Google account, your Facebook, or your Apple and Xbox as well as PlayStation accounts. Click on the next button and now enter your date of birth. Now enter your preferred username and then click on next. You will then be allowed to create your password. Type in your preferred password and then type it in once again for confirmation and then click on next. Now agree with the terms of service and click on accept. And now you will see the download button. Go ahead and click on it, download for Windows. And now you can open up the installer in order to begin the installation. Now click on advanced options if you wish to redefine the directory. Then click on the install button and this will begin the installation of the League of Legends game on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed. And once it is done, you will see a shortcut on your desktop which you can double click on in order to open up the League of Legends game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the League of Legends game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.